the issues about Maggie and Minnie Dlamini, it's not serious issue because Maggie doesn't talk bad things about Minnie Dlamini at broadcast. You understand it? Because some people they can take things serious just because he mentioned about Minnie Dlamini only. He mentioned her name. You understand? So people they can take those things serious. Guys, MacG doesn't talk bad about Minnie Dlamini. You understand? Because sometimes, guys, a person can comment that that person, her relationship doesn't last. And it's true, guys. Minnie Dlamini's relationships doesn't last. You understand? It's true. And you are blaming MacG for those things because Minnie Dlamini is the one who came public with her relationship. You understand? Just because, guys, some people they come public and they want people to comment about that. So people can comment about that, and you are now upset. Or guys, don't come public with your relationship if you doesn't want people to comment about your relationship. You understand? Because when you are posting your man public in a public page, so you want people to know about your relationship, and now your relationship is end, and you are starting blaming people because people can comment, guys, about your relationships. You understand? Minnie Dlamini's relationships doesn't last longer, and it's true. Maggie doesn't Minnie Dlamini's relationships. The person who talk too much about Minnie Dlamini is Penduka. You understand? Why are you not talking about Penduka? You are talking about Maggie only. You understand? Because sometimes, guys, those people, they are three in broadcast. I don't know the other men who was with Maggie at broadcast. You understand? With Penduka and Maggie. But you are only, guys, talking about Maggie. No. And you, when you are talking about that person, his brand is growing. You understand? And now he have got 1,000 subscribers. People who subscribe in his YouTube channel just because about Minnie Dlamini's issues, and he have got more subscribers. When you want to put a person down in social media, you are mentioning his name. You are, guys, you starting his brand starting growing. You understand? You are not putting a person down with posting a person about bad things. You now Maggie have got many subscribers just because you are talking bad things about Maggie, and his brand is growing. You understand?